In front of me is iPhone 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Apps. Then select Passwords over here. Scroll all the way down to tap on Open Passwords, and after entering your passcode, click plus at the bottom right corner. Then input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website. Then username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!